The European Respiratory Society is highly involved in activities for tobacco control on European level. The Society's Tobacco Control Committee decided that there is a need for action. Despite the fact that there is a gap for the global awareness, public awareness for smoking effect on lung health, we are lacking a resource that can provide policymakers and all stakeholders and researchers a simple way to reach these facts, proven this link on scientific-based evidence. For this reason, we created the SmokeHaz website. SmokeHaz aims to provide a one-stop website platform that intends to be easily accessible. The SmokeHaz website is aimed mainly at policymakers and those who need to find easily and quickly reliable evidence information for the effect of smoking from a valid scientific source. And the simple messages can also be easily acceptable by smokers, by patients with respiratory diseases, and by all public population. For example, there they can find important information for the effect of passive smoking. So parents who smoke, they can find useful information for their children's health. SmokeHaz presents the results of a systematic review covering the effects of active and passive smoking exposure to the main respiratory conditions like lung cancer, COPD, asthma, wheeze, asthma in childhood, respiratory infection, tuberculosis, sleep apnea, and of course the effect of passive smoking on lung inflammation and lung function. The website includes a list of recommendations, and I invite all visitors to find this recommendation and be informed. I would like to highlight 3 points that are very important to reduce the burden of tobacco-induced respiratory diseases. First is to encourage all smokers to quit, because in this way they can reduce the mortality and the morbidity of the diseases for the next 2 decades. Second, health practitioners and respiratory doctors have to know how to give support and help a smoker to quit. There we need more training. Third, all the obligations and the recommendation of the World Health Organization of the Framework Convention on Tobacco Control, they have to be implemented in Europe in order to prevent and tackle the burden of respiratory diseases, protect children's health, and improve the life of all European citizens.